The actual kind of current exchanging volume of torrential slide generally is at $2,085,459,859, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking in a very huge manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which explicitly is very huge. Avax United States dollar medium-term support most certainly especially remained at $13.68, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slides EMA10 truly shows a vertical pattern in an unobtrusive manner. 16 December 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and actually essentially attempt to answer these much of the time, explicitly clarified some things, facts. What actually especially is momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, by and large is Avax a truly wise interest in an especially significant manner. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they in every way that really matters, basically thought in an unpretentious way. However, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Avax specialized examination, fundamentally by and large, let us really discuss the ongoing economic situations, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709 in a reasonably fundamentally huge manner, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $55,060,451,724 in a truly quite huge manner. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally basically has a predominance of 16.33%, so Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally in a real sense has a strength of 16.33% in an in every way that really matters, huge way. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39% in a sort of especially significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly basically, has seen a value reduction of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period, or so they especially in a real sense thought. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, actually basically is somewhere near 1.63 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents, so Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $74.13 in the wake of seeing a decay of 5.78% in esteem, showing how yet prior to plunging extremely profound into the Avax specialized examination, especially let us for the most part discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in a genuinely significant way. These occasions certainly show that the market quite is going in a decently certainly descending course for genuinely present moment, so which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39% in an actually quite large manner, which is genuinely huge. Right now, a general truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum actually really has a strength of 16.33%, so Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in a huge manner, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters basically become kind of more sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly is very huge. Similarly, obstruction basically for the most part is a level at which vendors fundamentally generally become move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution, The kind of current torrential slide cost truly in every way that really matters is $42.09, with an exchanging volume of $2,085,459,859 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. Showing how XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, explicitly sort of is somewhere around 1.63 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, so Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which sort of is genuinely critical. As of now, Avax in a real sense is up by 2.5% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $15,405,327,151 United States dollars. Beautiful sort of additional appearance, how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $55,060,451,724 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost examination for 16 December 2023, inside a fundamentally truly day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath, kind of truly further appearance, how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination, really let us for the most part discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an exceptionally significant manner. Which certainly is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving especially commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to fundamentally break down the future development of the torrential slide. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time span, which in a real sense is very huge. While Avax's Williams %R pointer generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign, sort of is especially conceivable at this reach, so torrential slides EMA10 explicitly sort of shows a vertical pattern, or so they by and large thought. The Avax United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal union and disparity, MACD, marker in a real sense, is demonstrating a truly present moment in a real sense, sell kind of sign, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving underneath certainly signal line which in every way that really matters, implies in every practical sense, bears in every practical sense, are ruling on the lookout. Most certainly further appearance how the truly complete exchanging volume generally remains at $55,060,451,724, which explicitly is genuinely huge in an essentially significant manner. The very relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin generally truly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 29, which certainly generally shows